Isaac.
Welcome. This is the fourth iteration of the Philippine Book Festival. This year, no prerequisites. The 350 book evaluators and scopers from the Department of Education are here. And yes, their work today carries enormous weight for our students and all the schools they represent across the country.
Let's all give a big welcome to the Secretary of the Department of Education, Secretary Sori Angara.
Hosting something like this is never easy. Having all the DepEd scopers here, what we try to do at DepEd is really open it up for our publishers, for our creatives, so that it's not the exclusive jurisdiction of DepEd to create the books that our children will be reading. DepEd has procured 289% more books in the last year than in the previous 10 years, actually. So by the power vested in me as the Secretary of the Department of Education, I hereby declare the 2026 Philippine Book Festival open.
To our authors, illustrators, and publishers, we remain grateful for your trust. And to Secretary Angara and the Department of Education, your partnership and your leadership is what makes the scale of this work possible. To everyone who came here today, for whatever reason, welcome. We're glad you found your way here. Enjoy the festival. Mabuhay ang Pilipino at ang Aklat Pilipino.
Well, napakabihirang pagkakataon ito na mamimit mo yung talagang nagbabasa sa'yo. Kaya para sa amin, isang malaking pribilehiyo ito. Nakakatuwa, nakaka-humble din, at nakakapag-pagana na magsulat ka pa para sa mga taong katulad ng mga namimit natin ngayon.
Tuwang-tuwa ako sa dami ng tao. No? Ibig sabihin nito ay may demand sa mga libro. At yun ang takot natin, no? Na baka mamaya wala na gusto magbasa ng libro, no? Nagbabasa na lang sa internet, nagbabasa na lang sa mga iba't ibang mga gadgets. Pero ito ay magandang indikasyon na buhay pa rin ang aklat, buhay pa rin ang pagbabasa.
I welcome you all to the 43rd National Book Awards. We gather to celebrate the writers, illustrators, and publishers whose work has risen this cycle to represent the best of what Philippine literature can be and do.
Nagpapasalamat po talaga ako at nandito tayong lahat. These awards are very special to me, to you, to all of us.
Ibigin ang bagay, igalang ang buhay.
I didn't grow up privileged, but my family knew I loved books and art. This win is for my family.
I never thought my messy drawings and simple words would one day be read by so many people. What has stuck to me the most is how this book has made the readers feel seen, understood, accepted.
Napakahalaga ho ng paglilimbag ng mga aklat dahil naipapagpatuloy natin ang mga kwento ng ating pamana ng lahi. Itong mga pamanang lahi ay mga piting saksi sa ating kasaysayan. Kung sila kaya ay makapagsasalita, ano kaya ang kukwento nito? Sana sa ating panahon ay patuloy natin madugtungan ang napakayamang kwento ng ating pamana ng lahi.
Ang feeling ko naman, hindi ako writer from the past. Ang feeling ko is parang magkakasama lang kami lahat na nagsusulat ngayon. Magkakasama lang kami lahat ngayon na malilikot ang imagination. It's nice to feel na part ka pa rin ng generation ngayon. As inclusive, yung panahon ngayon, lahat sila pantay-pantay sa karapatan na magkwento ka ng magandang kwento. Then may espasyo for you. Yeah.
Maganda kasi yung nasimulan ng MBDB sa mga ganitong mga book fair at book festival. At sana, alam ko, masusundan pa ito sa mga darating na taon. Wala na ako dito, pero napakarami nating mga bagong magagaling na manunulat na makikinabang sa mga ganitong pangyayari.
So sana ay patuloy pa pagkakaroon ng Philippine Book Festival para matugunan ang demand ng mga Pilipino sa dekalidad na literatura, dekalidad ng mga aklat.
Let us celebrate the books and the people behind them that have brought us here today.